Okay, so in the last video we produced a pattern that gave us numbers where all the digits are 8. And in the one before that, we produced a pattern where all the digits in the answers and the products sums were 1s. Well, now let's mess around with multiplying those together. What if we took all 1s, so 1, right, and then, actually let me move this over, sorry. What if we multiplied the answers we got? Will we get another pattern? So in other words, if I take 1 times 8, and then 11 times 88, and then 111 times 888, and so forth, will this produce a pattern? And this is what's amazing often when you're playing with these patterns, that patterns compound on each other. So the first two patterns we created produced these numbers, and now these numbers multiplied can produce other patterns. And it feels also mysterious, I think. Not the mechanics of it, the exact details you can look into yourself, but the fact that this actually keeps producing a pattern, to me, really is amazing. So let me finish the sequence, and you can set it up with me. Here we're up to 3, 6, 7 1s, so 7 8s, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 8s, and then 8 8s, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and then 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, and then 9 1s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 9 eighths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What will happen in each of these cases? So you can start thinking about this or making some predictions. But what starts to happen, well, 1 times 8, that's 8. 11 times 88 is 968. So okay, the 8's staying so far. And then in the next product, what do we get? We get 9, 8, and then 5, 6, 8. Okay, the 8's staying. Are there other patterns here? We have 6's and 8's returning there. We're still keeping 9. And the next one, what we're going to get is 9, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8. So 9, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8. Interesting. So the 8's are keeping. Those 6's seem to be sticking. And now the 5's are sticking, okay, and the 9's are there, the 8's are there. 7 and 4 are new. Let's see where we're going with this. So now what happens when we have to multiply 5 1s by 5 5s? 5 8s, what am I saying? 5 1s by 5 8s, we get 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. I ran out of room there. 9, 8, 7, 6, and then back up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So somehow this is like a descending and ascending pattern in our answer. And we have 1 digit, then 3, then 5, okay, then 3, 6, 7. So now I have 9, 3, 6, 9 digits. Okay, this is getting awfully big. So now the next one, I guess we should have 11 digits, and what we do get is a pattern. It becomes really clear now that what's going to happen next is we multiply 6 1s by 6 8s. We go 9, 8, 7. This is our answer. 6, 5, and then back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So descending and then ascending. Cool. Let's see if this keeps happening. With 7 1s and 7 8s, what do we get? Well, now we get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we go from 9 all the way down to 4, and then from 1 all the way up to 8. So I like this pattern because at first the pattern was unclear. It was happening. I mean, we start with 8, that's always there, and then we go 9 down to 6, and back up to 8. And then we go 9 down to 5, back up, and then from 5 back up to 8. And then 9 down to 4, and then from 5 up to 8. So this pattern is it's developing as we go along. So here it's almost complete. We're going 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then it resets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So this pattern is emerging as we go deeper into it. And now the next one, we're going to get 9, 8, 7, 6, big number, 5, 4, 3. So going even one step further. Before it was 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then 1, and then, 9. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even fit this. 5. Let me start over. Okay. So now, oops, cut this one off. I need more room there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Goes even further. And then 1, 9, 0. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that fit. And notice the pattern, you have this little weird bit in the middle, which is different, 1, 9, 0, but we still have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then we go up from 1 all the way up to 8. So this pattern was developing, and now it's almost fully complete. And here, in the last step, we get even closer. So now we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it. We made it all the way. And then we have this little bit in the middle, 7, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. I like this pattern because this was developing as we went deeper into it. Sure, there's a little chunk in the middle, but we still started at 9, descended all the way down to 1, 7, 9, and then from 1 up through 8 actually built up. And there's just so many ways to describe this pattern. I'm sure you might see other things, but that was a fun one. Hope you enjoyed.